This is Veeni Harka from grade 7 CBSE from Kennedy EM High School. Today we are going to introduce you to one of the most exciting technologies from modern manufacturing, that is 3D printing. This is an anycubic 3D printer. Unlike the traditional printers that prints ink on a paper, but the 3D printer prints 3 dimensions of an object layer by layer. Using this printing system, we can create more colorful prototypes, models and functional parts.
Hello everyone, this is Momita from grade 7. A 3D printer is made up of several important parts. First is filament. This is the material used to create the object. The filament is fed through the system and reaches the hot end. The print bed provides a surface on which the object is built layer by layer.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kartik Geeram. The future of 3D printing has many possibilities. Future printers may become faster, more intelligent and may be capable of printing with even more materials and colors.
First of all, I would like to thankful to our principal sir, our director and Sky Space team.